So let me tell you first a little story about how I began meditating. It was back in 2007, and I had been in the midst of some therapy with Dr. Bill Koistra, who's awesome, and he kept suggesting to me that I begin meditating. And I kept resisting, thinking, I don't know how to meditate, and I have a very fidgety body and a busy mind that's always go, go, go. And I also thought you had to be a monk or a nun to really be able to meditate. So finally I took his advice and I sat down and I just sat comfortably and paid attention to my breath. And that was the start of an amazing transition in my life where I began living more peacefully and with more happiness, and I will never stop meditating. It's the best way to start my day. So let's get started. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to be so serious. In fact, if there's one thing I want you to know is let go of any rules, let go of any expectations, and just relax. So many people have asked me over the years, am I meditating right? And there really is no right way to meditate. It simply takes time to sit down for even a few minutes each day, relax your body, and breathe. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So just chill. That's something we don't do enough of in our culture. We're always go, 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 and we're plugged in, and we're problem solving and list making and thinking, thinking, thinking. And you are the only one who can choose to give yourself the gift of slowing down and quieting down. And I really hope you start to do so. This is a tremendous gift to your life. So when you go to meditate, just be comfortable, however that is for you. Sit in a comfortable position, whether that's cross-legged or sitting in lotus position, or perhaps with your legs straight out in front of you, sitting in a chair on a cushion. You can even use a yoga block and just put it behind you and just sit on the very edge, or put it like this between your legs, whatever is comfortable for you. That's the most important thing. I would suggest that you not lay down, because then it's likely you fall asleep, which isn't what we want to do. So once you're comfortable, you want to really consciously relax your body from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. So start up here and just do a scan. Just see that you're relaxed, your forehead is relaxed. Close your eyes gently. If that is uncomfortable for you, just look at a space maybe 2 feet in front of you. And relax the rest of your face. We hold a lot of tension in our jaw, so maybe put a little space between your upper and lower teeth just to make sure you're not clenching. And then just keep moving down your body. Shoulders are a big area where we hold stress and tension, so make sure you're relaxing your shoulders. That's where it helps to rest your hands somewhere so that you can really soften those shoulders. So just sit comfortably and relax your body. So let's try that right now. Just take a second to get into a comfortable position. Try closing your eyes if you're comfortable with that. And just scan through your body and make sure everything is relaxed from your head to your toes. Probably feels pretty good, huh? We don't do that often enough either. So we'll move on to breathing then. All right, now that you're all comfortable and relaxed, let's tune into breath. This is the most important part of meditation, is to really tune in to your breathing. So for now, I just want you to do just that. Just pay attention to the oxygen coming into your body, slow it down, it will slow down naturally, and pay attention to when you exhale all that carbon dioxide. Next, in the next video, I'll teach you a great method of breathing that's one of my favorites with so many of my clients. But for now, just pay attention to your breath. It's kind of a funny thing how much we think about food and drink every day, and yet we could go days without food or drink. We rarely think about our breath. However, we won't last more than a few minutes without taking in some oxygen. So just begin to tune into your breath. So let's try that. Just get back into your comfy position and relax your body and begin really paying attention to your breath. When you inhale, just slow it down and really feel that oxygen entering your body. Maybe just pause for a moment and then really feel the exhalation. And each time you inhale and then exhale, let your body relax even a little bit more. Feel your shoulders softening even more. Any tension just leaving your body. So just try that in this position, relaxed, comfortable, and really paying attention to your breath. Hopefully you're already feeling a little more relaxation. That's the point of meditation. So now let's talk about that monkey mind of yours. We all have it. That mind, like a playful, crazy monkey that's going, jumping from thought to thought to thought, and it's hard to turn it off. It might feel frustrating or annoying, but it's really natural, especially in the culture that we live in. So right now, for this time, I just want you to notice your thoughts. Don't fight against them. Don't try to not think, and don't expect to have an empty mind. For now, just notice your thoughts without any kind of judgment or without trying to stop them. In the third video, I'll give you some tips on how to quiet down or settle down that monkey mind. So for now, I want you just to start your practice 3 minutes a day. That's it. The best time to have your meditation is first thing in the morning, before you turn on the television or pop open your laptop, before any chitter chatter from the world enters your mind. Just sit down for 3 minutes. That's it. And relax and breathe and just notice your thoughts. Notice that monkey mind jumping around without any kind of judgment. So if you're someone who says, I could never meditate, I'm too busy, my mind is always going, I want to reassure you, you can. And it will benefit your life so much if you make it a daily practice. Again, just starting with 3 minutes. I am someone who's been evaluated for ADD 3 times and nearly qualified. And I'm a very, very busy woman. But starting my day with meditation each morning helps me to be more productive, calmer, happier, and just overall improves my life in countless ways. So I cannot encourage you more to just start your own practice just with those few moments a day. So I'll see you again in a few days when I send you another video with some more tips. Next time we'll talk about a great breathing technique. Until then, happy meditating.